Welcome to WinNet Coding School. Quickly today we're going to HTML. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. That's it for today. So let's go. I'm going to my system and I'll be making use of Sublime Text. It's a code editor. While we're using, let's say, Microsoft Edge or Chrome to view it. Follow me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are you feeling the vibe? You're feeling the music? Somebody please help me to pause it. Okay. So I'll be using my Sublime, and yes, using Sublime. Let's get all of this out of my way. Let's get this out of my way. Control N. It gives me a fresh new page. Okay, let me see because I want it to be dynamic. I'll call it first file. Call it first file.html. This is beautiful. Let's go. Now, in writing web pages, one of the foremost language that helps us to do that. Take note, HTML is not a programming language, it's a structural language. The structural language. So we use it to build the structure of a website, how we want it to look. So quickly, I will be writing using, I'll declare. What this simply means is declaring, like exclaiming. You know the meaning of exclamation mark in English. Exclaiming to the web browser that this is, let's write, doc type HTML. It's telling the browser that this is an HTML what? Document. So treat it as such. Moving to the next line, we declare HTML. Declare HTML. Okay, moving forward. Yeah, this is what I wanted. So I want to, every element has an opening and has an ending, but for the doc type, it's just alone, single. So I'm going to declare the closing of the HTML. Now for this, HTML is the opening, / is the closing. So quickly memorize that, keep that at the back of your mind. Then the next thing, every web page have what we call the head. On the head, there's a title. Then it has a body, and it has a footer. So quickly structure that out so that we don't miss it. So I'm going to make it so basic as possible just for today. That's it. Right in the head, we have title. What's the title of the page we are building? This is key. So let's call it my first file. Let me put it this way. I like it this way. My first file. Beautiful. Then go down. Then I declare the body. The next. Let me close the body. Beautiful. Then let me declare the footer. I told you it has 3 parts. Inside the body, we can have other sections as well. Beautiful. So having declared all of this, I like arranging my work neat. So let's go into the body now and declare an H1. We have an element called H1. It helps us to print both text. So we have H1. Please stay with me. H1. What should you write? Welcome to WinNet Coding School. Number 2, I just want to quickly show us this. We have H1 to H1 to H6. H6 being the least and H1 being the highest. You might be surprised. One is supposed to know. It doesn't work that way. So I'll write the same text after I've written for the one. Okay. Next. Welcome to WinNet Coding. Okay. I think we are moving. Beautiful. We are moving. H5, yeah, H5 almost done. Stay with me, learn something new today. If this might inspire you to enroll your child for Winnet coding, or you personally as an undergraduate, you might want to start learning coding. I tell you, there's power. It's a superpower. Coding is our new superpower, I'm telling you. You can observe that I'm talking while writing. You know, I'm kind of excited, highly excited. Like, I've always been excited coding. So I don't know about you. If you're excited of magic, what's happening in your screens? You're seeing beautiful things. Everyone wants something unique. So becoming a designer is one way we can achieve that. Okay, saving. Let's preview this. Let's preview. Are you seeing it? This is so beautiful. So you can see H1 bold, the boldness is reducing, or the size of the text is what? Reducing. These are unique it is. So this is the list and the basic thing you can do with what coding. There's much. It's just foundational what? Understanding. There are many more elements. As we go further, we're going to be learning a lot. God bless you. Please endeavor to what? Like, share, and what? Subscribe. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Okay.
So you're supposed to show them. You didn't show this.
I showed it now. You don't. I did not capture it too. I've not closed though.